A new terrifying warning from scientists about black holes has changed everything. Thanks to films and books, a black hole is a concept familiar to many of us. On the other hand, many of us do not think that they're real. For years, scientists have sent sophisticated spacecrafts and telescopes to solve this riddle, but they haven't been successful until now. Scientists have long hypothesized a supermassive black hole at the galactic center, but they now predict that this monster will soon consume our galaxy. Do we have to flee our lives as a result of this? Welcome to the channel, where we will explore the world's deepest and darkest secrets. Today's film aims to explain a massive hole approaching our galaxy and why it will consume everything in its path. So, if you're interested in learning more, stick around until the finish of the video. Black holes are commonly pictured as enormous, ominous-looking phenomena in the cosmos that represent the remains of long-dead stars. The gravitational pull of these dark remains is so intense that even light bends to its will if you get close enough. One of the mysteries of the universe is the supermassive black hole located in the center of our galaxy, which scientists and researchers have discovered. Sagittarius, a star with a mass of almost 4 million suns, is the nearest supermassive black hole to our planet. Scientists at the National Radio Astronomy Observatory, NRAO, Bruce Billick and Robert Brown found it in 1974 and presented their findings in a paper. We know its mass because we can track the orbital motion of the black hole's companion stars. According to the study's lead author, we can determine the black hole's mass by observing the star's orbits. A whirlwind of stars surrounds the black hole. A colossal item must be in their path for this to be possible. This black hole is also a mystery since no one has ever seen it. As a result of their invisibility and the brilliant stuff that surrounds them due to their enormous gravitational attraction, black holes are not only thin but also obscure our view. Black holes can, however, be seen lurking about them. To locate a black hole, how do you go about it? There is no way to directly observe the presence of a black hole since no light can leave it. Most known black holes have been discovered by looking for the X-rays released when the unseen object sucks material from an orbiting partner star. The material around the black hole is heating up and emitting radiation that may be observed using X-ray telescopes. As a result, now, how can we know the mass of this black hole? How the gravitational effects of tidal forces distorted the red giant revealed the black hole's mass, which was around 3 solar masses or 3 times the sun's mass. Since the last decade, scientists have wondered if the methods and methodologies to study black holes aren't advanced enough. There was also the chance that the black holes were not found because they were not there. However, the discovery of this vast black hole cleared up the uncertainty. For physicists, the study of black holes in neutron stars is critical because it reveals how stars grow and die. Because of this, the detecting black holes is an incredibly difficult period, and individual black holes do not release their identical energy beams that other objects in space often do. Astronomers were able to observe the X-rays emitted by known black holes due to their interactions with the partner star because of the radical shift, like time, brought about black holes. The idea of a black hole itself has become a thing of mystery. Equipment at the VLT was used to examine the Milky Way's nucleus, according to a report published in the journals Astronomy and Astrophysics by a group of scientists from different European universities. While observing Sagittarius, a disk stars of matter, the researchers saw flashes of infrared light coming from it. An ESO News statement claims that these flares constitute proof of the presence of a supermassive black hole. There has been a tremendous breakthrough, says Reinhard Genzel, the head of the group. In addition to confirming our correct identification of the Sagittarius, a star, researchers and scientists now claim that the flares provide the most exemplary view of material circling so near to a black hole. At 30% the speed of light, it's mind-boggling to see material orbiting a gigantic black hole. A news statement from researcher Oliver Fuffel stated that the instrument's sensitivity has allowed us to to examine the assertion process in real time with unparalleled granularity. Scientists have also discovered a weird fact about this massive black hole and verified its existence. According to new research, this black hole in the heart of our galaxy is generally harmless, but has been feasting on everything it can get its hand on for the past 24 years. When you're on a diet, it's typically relatively quiet and wimpy. Nothing like this has ever happened in the 24 years we've been here, so we have no idea what's causing this massive feast. We've researched the supermassive black hole. Co-author Andrea Goetz mentioned this. Gays have previously reported seeing the black hole flash 75 times brighter than usual on 3 consecutive days. It was nothing they have ever seen before like. Researchers now believe that the black hole may be entering a new phase because of its extraordinary hunger. UCLA Galactic Center astronomers have studied more than 13,000 angles of the Milky Way's black hole since 2003, using the Keck Observatory on the Hawaiian island of Kauai and the European Southern Observatory's very large telescope located in Chile. At least 3 extraordinary surges in brightness have been observed recently at locations just outside the black hole's event horizon, the point beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. They assume an uncommon sort of gas might be causing the black hole to respond in this way. According to experts, black hole radiation is to blame for the spike in brightness near the black hole, who say they've never seen anything like this in the past 24 years. Andrea Cheese, the co-senior author of the study from UC Los Angeles, stated that they had investigated the supermassive black hole. While variations in the brightness of Sagittarius, a star, are expected, the most recent readings taken earlier this year were unusually high. On a timescale ranging from minutes to hours, the brightness of the Sagittarius A star changes constantly. In the words of the study's principal author, Tuan Do, it flickers like a flame. Since the black hole appears to fluctuate more frequently this year, we suspect that something unique is going on. Sagittarius, a brightness stars, changed by 75 in around 2 hours on May 13, 2019. It is not yet apparent if the recent sightings of the black hole are a one-off occurrence or the beginning of a new phase of enhanced activity for the object. Several questions need to be answered, including whether or not the black hole is entering a new phase, such as if it has been turned up and the rate of gas falling to the black hole has increased for an extended period only if we only seen the fireworks form a few vast and dense blobs of gas falling in UCLA's Mark Morris. For today, let us know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future films about space.